Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here, and with today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Pitaka MagEZ Case Pro for the brand new iPhone 13 Pro. Now they do make this case for the whole 13 lineup, so I will link them down in the description, but you can go and visit ipitaka.com if you want to purchase these. Currently I cannot find them on Amazon, so if I do, I will put my affiliate link down in the description as well. Now this is a $59.99 case, so $59.99. So it's not the cheapest case out there, but to be honest with you guys, just to give you a heads up, this is one of my favorite Pitaka cases and I've reviewed quite a bit of them. So with that, let's go ahead and do the unboxing real quick. As far as the box and packaging goes, as you can see here, you have a new look. So Pitaka new MagEZ Case Pro for the 13 Pro. Kind of goes over all the basics here: aramid fiber case, MagEZ compatible, it is military drop tested, etc, etc. Picture of the case on an iPhone 13 Pro and Pitaka branding there, Pitaka branding on this side, same here with all their social media stuff. And then here on the back it has a little bit of a breakdown of everything as well. So as you can see here, it's 3-time military grade drop protection, so you are getting some good drop protection with a very thin case. Aerospace grade finish, so it does have this really smooth texture, which we'll go over with that aramid fiber. And then obviously, once again, it is compatible with MagSafe chargers. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box here. So alternative tech life, and when you flip it open, this is what you're greeted with. So you have kind of removal instructions and everything, but to be honest with you guys, it's pretty easy to do. Let's go ahead and get this out real quick. And inside the packaging, you do get like a thank you card, and then does kind of give you a little bit of a breakdown of like some other products that they sell as far as a product catalog inside of here. And then there's also these little kind of like foam sticky pads in here that if you need to install these to help with the fit of the case. Now I've been using this case on the phone for a day and I have not had any issues with fitment. So here's the case itself, but I'm going to focus on the inside and then we'll slap it on. So in the interior here, as you can see, you have this really nice kind of just suede material inside here, and obviously you got that kind of branded MagSafe, you know, cutout there with the Pitaka cutout inside there as well. You do have some just reinforced bumpers inside of here all throughout, so that's where you're getting that military drop protection and everything like that. But like I said, this is going up against the phone and it does a really nice job because it is very soft to the touch. So let's grab the 13 Pro and slap it in. So I usually just start from these corners here on this side, just because at the end of the day, those are where more of the buttons are. And then I just push down. All right. So there is the case installed on the phone. So as you can see here, it has this really nice carbon fiber style look here. It is genuine aramid fiber like it says in the description. So it is a really nice, smooth to the touch, soft to the touch material. It does attract the oils from your hands, so you will tend to wipe it down. It does not show fingerprints though, so that's a good thing. But the thing I love about the Pro one is not only does it give you this really nice reinforced kind of bumper around the camera lenses, you do have a complete case around the whole entire phone, unlike their MagEZ 2 and their Air case, which has some cutouts around the sides and buttons and everything like that. This is a complete case, which I absolutely love. So as far as that bump goes, like I said here, you do see that with those big giant 3 lenses there, you are getting some really nice lens protection there. So obviously a little more reinforced bumper there, which I absolutely love. And then go ahead and focus on the sides here. So as you can see here, you kind of have that aramid fiber, carbon fiber look going up to the edges, and then it stops. So you kind of get the 50-50 side of it. You do have a raised power button here as well. And then when you go down to the bottom here, obviously you got a nice little cutout there for your lightning port and speakers and mics down here at the bottom. And then flipping around to the side here, as you can see, you do have that same styling with the half and half. You do have some dedicated volume up and down buttons as well. And then you also have a cutout there for your alert slider. And then going to the top, that's what it looks like there. Now on the front of the case, you do have some lips that are raised evenly around the front of the case, but obviously it's a slim case. But at the end of the day, it is going to give you a little bit of some screen protection. But once again, with military drop protection, it is going to help a lot. With the front here, as you can see, I do have a tempered glass installed on the screen here, but as you can see, it is tempered glass friendly, so no issues at all there. But as you can see here, the cutout above the microphone, or excuse me, the cutout above the speaker here is above it, obviously, so it doesn't like kind of do this weird cutout. It's just a nice slim cutout from the top. So now let's go ahead and do the shake test real quick. So let's start with the face down and see how that performs. So there is no wobble or shake from the front, but from the back, let's see if there is with that big giant bump. So as expected, definitely some teeter-tottering going on there with the giant camera bump there. So if you care about something like that, then you will need to know that. But unfortunately, a lot of the cases that I've had in my hands with the new 13 Pro, they're gonna do a little bit of some shake in there because of the massiveness of that actual camera bump there. So now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test and see how that performs here. So let's start with power button first. And volume up and down. Okay, so very clicky, tacky buttons, so definitely passes the clicky button test. And now let's see the ease of the access of the alert slider. So let me go ahead and turn the screen on and see how that does. So as you can see there, going between silent mode and turning it on and off, it is definitely very accessible and easy to reach. So now let's go ahead and do the MagSafe test here. So let me go ahead and grab the MagSafe charger here. So with the MagEZ case, once again, you did see those little cutouts there for the MagSafe part. So it does have built-in magnets in this, so it is going to definitely adhere to the MagSafe charger. Let's just see how strong. All right, so as you can see there, we got the animation that it is MagSafe compatible, but as you can see, that connection is very strong. It does easily just snag on there and holds on as well. So definitely going to be MagSafe compatible, as you can tell there. And it is very compatible with MagSafe accessories for the vehicle. I have tried it on 2 different MagSafe type of chargers in my vehicle, and it held on very snug. And obviously it is easily compatible with the Pitaka MagSafe charger or wireless charger that they have as well, and I'll link all those down in the description. So as far as everything goes, guys, this is by far one of my favorite cases when it comes to this device so far. I've always been a sucker for the styling of carbon fiber, but just with the soft touch and just the grippiness that this provides and how slim it is and everything like that with that military drop protection, it is a no-brainer to recommend this case. Now, once again, it is a little bit on the higher end, but at the same time, I think it's definitely worth the investment if you're looking for a premium looking case that does come with premium quality materials, because I have not ever had one complaint with my Pitaka cases, and that's on phone cases and watch cases. So hit that like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.